My name is Shi Jie Yin. I came from China. I focused on an aesthetic surgeon for more than 20 years. It is my first time here, and I find a lot of interesting things, a lot of medical machine I had never seen in China. And I got to know new friends here, and when I come back, I hope more and more Chinese doctors can come here to learn the international medical knowledge here. Thank you for my friend Sad and Ellen introduced me come here. I hope next year I come here again for more knowledge and new friends here. Thank you.